How to make India bill payment by using MyMA Kiosk. Scan your MyMA QR code to log in. Select the category you want to pay. For FASTag, you may need to type your vehicle number. Then select FASTag provider. After select the provider, then enter the amount you want to pay. Then you will see the bill details. After confirm the details, tap Confirm and Pay. For electricity, select your state. Then select provider. Then type your customer account. Then enter your amount you want to pay. After enter the amount you want to pay, then tap Proceed to see bill details. After confirm the details, tap Confirm and Pay. For gas, type your phone number then select provider. Then enter your bill group number and amount. For DTH TV, enter the DTH number, select provider and enter the amount. Then you will see the bill details. After confirm all details is correct, tap Confirm and Pay. Then will flow to payment method. There will be 3 payment methods: Cash Pay Now and MyMA Wallet. MyMA, bridging the gap, bringing you closer to home.